Hey guys, Caitlin here, and today we're going to be talking about the parts of an airplane. This airplane is an F-22 fighter jet. Well, can be fighter jet. This front part of the fuselage is the power plant and the engine, then the cockpit, and the jets. Fuselage. The wings are here, and these wings are mid-wings, like middle fuselage wings. The flaps are on the farthest inside of the wings, and the ailerons are on the outside of the wings. The empennage is the back half of the fuselage with the tail and the elevators. The tail also has the rudder. The landing gears are down here. They go up and down. Sometimes this one has a front loader as well. The longitude, not stabilized axis, is the long ways. The lateral is side to side, and vertical is straight through it. Now, for this airplane, if you turn the rudder left, it's going to want to go left. And if you put the elevators down, it's going to descend. And if you were to put them up, they will ascend. Now, if you put your left aileron down, the left wing will go up. I hope you enjoyed this video on airplane parts. See you later.